Mayor Trina Andres of Rizal, Nueva Ecija cannot just leave this comment on read. A netizen was questioning the municipality's vaccination rollout and asked why it hasn't reached ordinary residents of Rizal. Andres had to issue this clarification because according to the Lady Mayor, the netizen is misinformed. Andres also said the netizen is using a fake account. She then explained the different priority groups. The Lady Mayor stresses the local government of Rizal is following this order of priority based on the recommendation of the World Health Organization.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.